Welcome to the presentation of CE marking process of control panel. The products under scope of CE certification can have different types. Your product under the scope of CE certification can have different sizes as well. Sometimes, because of the permutation and combination, you can satisfy different requirements of different customers. Sometimes your product can be a part of a system. Everything can be covered in CE marking process and finally in your declaration and CE certificate as applicable. Finally, you can start putting CE mark on your product. You need to take following steps carefully. First of all, identify the products. There are different models and different variants which you would like to cover in your CE marking process. Next step is very important, that is identification of the directive based on the intended use of the product and the product technology. In our case, the directive applicable is 2006/42/EC, that is machinery directive, and 2006/95/EC, that is low voltage directive LVD. In the next step, you have to evaluate your product with the essential safety requirements of the directive. When any essential safety requirement is applicable to your product, you have to demonstrate the compliance with the requirements. In this case, you have to identify general safety, collateral, and particular standards applicable to your product. When you identify that any essential safety requirement is not applicable to your product, you have to technically justify about the non-applicability and wherever required, maintain the technical clarification and the technical justification. Following are the common things that you have to work on: making an user manual, instruction for use document, maintenance manual which can cover all the requirements of safe and effective use of the product, preparation, maintenance and control of technical documents of the product, complete essential safety requirement analysis document with necessary evidences and necessary justifications, inspection control plans or inspection checksheets, risk assessment files along with the corrective actions of individual risks, and of course the evidences of effectively implementation of the corrective actions taken, label with necessary information and with CE mark, successful test reports which demonstrate the compliance with the requirements of general safety, collateral and particular standards, declaration of conformity document which shall include clear product details, applicable standards and signature of the member of top management. The test standard which you can use is EN 60439-1, that is low voltage switchgear and control gear assemblies. We can help you to get your product tested by ISO 17025 accredited laboratory. Wherever you need any technical assistance, we can help you to solve the problem and demonstrate the compliance. We also can help you to make the technical file which can be used for your CE marking process. We can help you to get your product certified by independent third party which can be either Indian or European product certification body. Thank you very much for your attention. You can reach me just by dropping an email to mailtosandipk@gmail.com.